Hi everyone, Pinay Kaylee here. Annyeonghaseyo. Today guys, it's rainy day and rainy season na naman. So during rainy seasons is the best to make, cook, and eat ginataang bilo-bilo, binignet, if you could say it in the other country. At maraming banana harvest outside or sa mga palengke, murang-mura ito. Kaya this is the best time to make it. Pag gusto mo kumain, kailangang masipag ka rin magluto. 'Di ba? Ganun lang yun. At mas makatipid.